If you are looking for beautiful nature, free from dust, noise, of historical importance, and a Lord Shiva devotee, then this is the perfect place for you, Amruteshwar Temple. Beautiful location and pleasant experience. This video is part of the series of our recent hike from Ratangad to Harishchandragad on mighty Sahyadris. If you are new here, please do subscribe for our follow-up videos on this beautiful and one of the most adventurous range hikes. Hello all, welcome to Studious Wanderer. At a distance of 17 kilometers from Bhandardara, Amruteshwar Temple is an ancient Shiva temple situated on the banks of the holy river Pravara at Ratanwadi village, which is the base village for the famous Ratangad Fort. The temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva and is considered to be over 1,200 years old. This beautiful stone-carved temple was built by the rulers of the Shilahara dynasty in the 9th century AD. This is one of 12 Shiva temples built by King Jhanj. The Amruteshwar Temple has been constructed in Hemadpanthi architectural style, with beautiful rock carvings on the main shrine. It was built with black and red stones. The ceiling and the walls of the temple are decorated with some impressive and lovely murals. There is a mandapa with 12 pillars. All the pillars have beautifully carved statues and flowers. The temple has a sanctum, a labyrinthine structure, dominated by the sculptures of the god and goddess, carved out of stone, and a pond within its complex. The temple has an exquisite feature, like that there is a hot spring below the Shiv Lingam. In monsoon, when the level of hot spring rises, the main sanctum fills with water. Traveling to this Amruteshwar temple by road is difficult, due to the rough roads on the hills. Arthur Lake separates Ratanwadi from Bhandardara. After exploring this beautiful ancient temple, we started our Ratangad Fort hike from here. Please stay tuned for our continuation video.